One thing that can improve how you interact with AI is improv or improvisation, because at the foundational level of the way generative AI works is it improvises. It doesn't matter what you throw at, for example, ChatGPT, it will respond in the same way that improv uses yes and. And the hallmarks of improv are listening deeply and going with a yes and validation. So you're building. It's inherently collaborative improv in the sense of there's no but, there's no, there's no go in a different direction. There's validate, listen, validate, build. And ChatGPT or generative AI does this. So it makes sense that you should also learn improv so that you can, in a way, outsmart the interactions that you're having. It's basically a productivity hack. Get more from AI by being on top of your improv game. Now, when I was teaching earlier this year, I was teaching a workshop in Amsterdam. And before the workshop started, I went and attended somebody else's workshop. It was about a month before I was set to teach this workshop. And I noticed this guy at the back of the class using ChatGPT. And I thought, wow, okay. And now ChatGPT had only come out a few months before this to public release. So at that point, people were unsure of, what is this? Is it taking away my job and all this kind of, and then is it appropriate in a classroom, or in a workshop? And should students be allowed to, all these kind of doubts and concerns. And I thought, yeah, no, let's, in an improv sort of way, let's not fight it, let's embrace it. So I actually built it into my workshop. And what I realized coming out of that workshop is that generative AI is an incredible framing tool, that it can help you frame things and it can help you see things a little bit differently. But I think it's critical that you understand improv skills so that they can improve your communication as well as how you frame things. For example, if you haven't, let's take the old argument of how to defend user research in UX, because user research constantly needs to be defended. You could ask ChatGPT to build a case for you to have this interaction with you, and then you could refine upon it. You can say things like, convince me why user research is so important. So ChatGPT is remarkably, we've been doing research exhausting it. It's remarkably nuanced. It understands a lot of UX concepts and methods and distinctions, more so than a lot of UX people that I know. And so that's worrying. What that tells me is that we need to be smarter than our AI, but at the same time, we need to be effective with those that we collaborate with and work with in our teams. And that's where improv comes in as a key skill that you can use to be 2 steps ahead of your AI. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you soon.